Welcome to my class. Lesson sentences used in school. Sentence is: This is my school. This is my school. The next sentence is: My classroom is big. My classroom is big. The next sentence is: The teacher writes on the board. The teacher writes on the board. The next sentence is: This is my desk. This is my desk. The next sentence is: I have a school ID card. I have a school ID card. The next sentence is: I put my books in my bag. I put my books in my bag. The next sentence is: I put my pencil in the pencil case. I put my pencil in the pencil case. The next sentence is: I raise my hand in class. I raise my hand in class. The next sentence is: I read a book. I read a book. The next sentence is: I share my crayons with friend. I share my crayons with friend. The next sentence is: I sharpen my pencil. I sharpen my pencil. The next sentence is: I sit on a chair. I sit on a chair. The next sentence is: I use a pen. I use a pen. The next sentence is: I use an eraser. I use an eraser. The next sentence is: I wear my school uniform. I wear my school uniform. The next sentence is: I write in my notebook. I write in my notebook. The next sentence is: I pack my lunchbox. I pack my lunchbox. The next sentence is: I have a ruler. I have a ruler. The next sentence is: I have a pencil. I have a pencil. The next sentence is: I clean the board. I clean the board.